Welcome back to another week of online art class, grade 1. Before I start, I'm going to share a little poem for you from Psalms. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settled on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. If I say, surely the darkness will hide me and the light become night around me. Even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like the day, for darkness is as light to you. Psalm 139, 7-12. The reason I wanted to share with you with this psalm is because I just find it so imaginative that we hide from God, but He is everywhere. That means when we're happy in heaven, He's there. When we're sad and hiding under a blanket, He is there. So, whatever you encounter this week, just know God is with you, and in this, as this poem says, He is light for you. Well, boys and girls, I have a very exciting unit for you. So let's take a look at the two pictures that you see. This picture was created by an artist that is very famous. And he said this about colors. Color expresses something in itself. One cannot do without it. One must make use of it. What looks beautiful, really beautiful, is also right. So a lot of the time we have students that says, oh, this is wrong. Well, in art there really isn't such things. So when you look at this two picture, they are created by the same artist. Can you believe it? The left-hand side is a bobbin machine from a long time ago. And the right-hand side, you can see, is a sower that is sowing seed by the riverside. Look at the color differences. The one with the bobbin is dark and gray and brown, and it feels like it's just left in a corner of the room, while the other one is bright, it has future, it has a hope because of the colors. So let me reveal to you the artist. Both pictures were created by Van Gogh. Now, you can see that he created the one with colors 3 years after the first picture. And the reason he started adding color was because he was inspired by other artists that he sees around, and as he studied different things around him with colors. We will talk more about that as we move on with this unit. But look at the beautiful colors in the sower, which is yellow and orange, and the contrast of the blue river. While the bobbin winder is darker, it has just one tone and shade, so there isn't a lot of color, and the color tends to be more brown. Now, here is Van Gogh's self-portrait. He loves painting and he loves drawing himself. He has actually created a lot of self-portrait throughout his lifetime, which we will see some of as we move on with this unit. So remember last week, I asked you to purchase either a package of M&Ms, original M&Ms, or Skittles. So now I just want to tell you as well, if we were working in school, I will be doing the experiment. You won't. But that's why doing school at home has this benefit. You get to experience the math and the science and the art throughout this unit. So enjoy the demonstration and post your picture up on Seesaw. And if you have any question, send me an email. Have a good day. Right, boys and girls, I hope you're ready for a very exciting art lesson / math / science lesson today. I know art can be involved with so many subjects. So last week, Mrs. Cam asked you to ask your parents to buy a bag of M&Ms or Skittles. So what we're going to do is once you have your packet, you can open it and we're going to count them and put them in different colors category. Okay, so I'm going to do this really fast. All right, let's take a look, boys and girls. So here's my M&Ms. I have, let's check the colors. Primary colors, blue, yes. Yellow, yes. Red, yes. All three primary colors there. Good. Secondary color, orange, yes. Green, yes. We don't have violet. Don't worry, we will figure something out. Let's check the Skittles. Red, check. Yellow, check. We are missing a primary color. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's blue. We have orange Skittles, perfect. Green, yes, and we have 2 violet Skittles. Let's see. Well, for Skittles, I think yellow has the most. For M&Ms, we have orange has the most. All right, so we're missing secondary color here, which is violet. We're missing primary colors here, which is blue. Blue is super, super important. Don't worry. We have a solution. Ta-da! What you're going to do is you are going to make your very, very own blue Skittles. How do you do that? First, you're going to take a piece of tissue paper. Now, try to pick one that has no color. So white, perfectly white. Has to be tissue or paper towel. So what you're going to do is once you have it, you are going to pick your blue water soluble markers. Not permanent, but water soluble. You're going to open it and you're going to color your own Skittles. I'm going to do Skittles here. So you are going to make a circle. You can do dots. And there's your blue Skittle. I'm going to do a couple because, I might need more. All right. Click. All right, here we go. So, and then you're going to cut it out. And you're gonna cut them into the size of a Skittle. I have 2 here. So I'm gonna put them with my primary colors. So what you're going to do is you are going to just work with primary colors today. So I'm gonna take all the secondary color and put them in the bag. You know what's so great about working from home? Is you guys get to do this by yourself. If we're in school, I would just show you and then that's the end. But here you get to experiment with it. So that's the science part. So what you're going to do is once you have all the primary colors, you're going to pair them up in multiple ways. So let's see how many sets we can make that's different. So I'm going to use Skittles only. I'm going to put my M&Ms away. But if you have M&Ms, you will have should have all the primary colors. I'm gonna put mine away here. Oops. Yeah, don't eat these M&Ms or candies afterwards because you touched them. All right, so I have only primary colors left. Blue, red, and yellow. So I'm gonna make some combination. I'm gonna make blue and red, and then yellow and blue, and yellow and red. Let's see if I have all the combination. Let's see. Blue. Okay, blue and red, check. Blue and yellow, check. Yellow and red, check. Do I have any repeats? Nope, good. So there should be 3 sets of different ones. Then you can put these away. Then you're gonna bring out a little plate. Not very big, probably the size of your hands. Then you are going to put your candy away from each other, just like this. Then you're gonna get a little cup. I have a measuring cup because it has a nice spout. If you don't have a measuring cup, a spoon would be okay, or a spoon would be better. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour water into the plate just enough to cover the candy, just the bottom part. Then what you're going to do is you are going to watch and see what happens. If when you see it's doing something magical, if you like the way the color is moving, I want you to take a picture. And then you're going to take different pictures throughout this different color combination. And then you are going to post your favorite picture. Just one. Oh, maybe. Okay, fine. You can post 2 of your favorite picture and show us what happens when you put water in and what happened to the colors. Now make sure you use white plate, otherwise it's very hard to see. So that's all you need. It's probably very hard to see, but just cover a little bit of your candy. Okay, now if you have an adult available, you can use warm water, which makes the experiment go a little bit faster. But if you don't have an adult, use cold tap water. All right, so that's all there is for you to do today. Take a picture of your favorite reaction and then post it on Seesaw for us to see. If you have any question, please send me an email. Have a great day.